Guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. So guess what, I am here at Moncton International Airport and we will be traveling across the world. So I just passed through immigration and I was really nervous because I thought that I forgot my company ID, but luckily it was just there at my pocket. I am heading to my the place that I've been last year, and I'm going through long travel, long flights, and this is gonna be my first flight of the day. Today is June 4, 2018, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. So it's now time to board, going to Incheon, Korea, and there was a little delay, but it was just little. Let's go! So we're finally here inside the plane, and I more like here at Korean Air planes because it has more leg room than the Delta Air. So we're just gonna sleep for 4 hours and to see you in New York. Let's go. So I just passed through security check here at Incheon, Korea to transfer to my terminal to USA, which is going to be going to Chicago, and then I'll be going to Grand Rapids, which is my last destination. So I'm just gonna ask first for my free transit tour. I do want to have one when I return from US because I do have a long way over. So just gonna ask. Let's go. So no one's around transfer desk, so I just need to go to my boarding gate so that I won't be late, and just want to identify where I will be going. I need to find my boarding gate before I'll let you guys see here at Incheon Airport because it's very nice. I don't think that this is the same terminal or boarding gate that I've been last year, so we're gonna check it out. Success. Success. I don't know what to do. Just probably gonna chill out here at the lobby, and I would want to sleep, but I don't think that I can sleep here because this is just a waiting area, lobby, whatever, and I would have wanted to try that. I don't know, just shy. I'm shy because I'm alone. And I'm just using my hands to vlog because I don't want to use Joby yet. Probably when I arrive at the hotel, but surprisingly and fortunately I am so white here, and because of the lighting obviously, and it's getting hot here, but I am wearing this jacket. I will just take it off and show Pilipinas. Come on, take a shit off. Take a shit off. Just gonna probably chill out and see how it goes, and probably see what's going to happen here. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's time to board to the longest flight of the day. It's going to be a 13-hour flight. We just boarded and it's still a Korean Air plane, and they got slippers but they don't have eye masks. So let's see how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's CJ Estrada, and share peace and love, and have a safe trip. See you, Chicago. Okay guys, so I'm finally here at the United States of America, and I'm here at Chicago, and I'm basically lost and I don't know where to go. I'm here at the domestic terminal 3, but my flight's going to be tonight 9 p.m. but still lunchtime. so I have to find somewhere to eat. But I'm trying to contact a YouTuber here, and I hope to meet him and get a tour. But I'm having a problem because I don't have internet access. I could not connect to the internet with the Wi-Fi here at the airport, but I'm probably gonna go explore and find a train. Let's go! There you go! Finally!
Welcome to Chicago.
Thank you! So finally, so here's Lester.
Welcome to Chicago, man.
Welcome to Chicago, thanks. So where are we heading?
I think I'll just gonna bring it to Naperville. Just like the suburbs, so you know we're like gonna explore the. Why there's nobody? I'm just sick.
Yeah, good framing though.
Like some people do paddle boarding and then kayaking, like with this river walk, but they start like all the way far in, which we can do if you have time.
Oh, we don't. Okay guys, so I'm now back at the airport, but still early for me to, you know, check in. But I already checked in, and I just probably need to go to the security and go to the boarding gate. Let's continue our long day. Come on. So what's up guys, finally I arrived. I just arrived in my room, so it's very big. Come on, I need to fix myself because I have to sleep now, because it's basically, what time is it now? But it is a big room. Okay, I can see the iron. I just need that, and I need to turn on the, where the f is the, don't have a view here, but where can I find the air conditioned? Where? This is for the TV. Okay, here it is. I guess this is it. Okay, there you go. Oh, come on. So this is a very big room. It's even bigger than my room at Cebu, and I need to go to sleep now because it's already almost 1 a.m. and I have to wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow or 5 a.m. tomorrow. So I hope I don't get jet lag tonight because I want to sleep. And one good thing, and this product will help me sleep. So good night guys, and see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Bye.